Oh, this looks like a great spot to make my morning coffee and my breakfast today. Good morning. My spork, my favorite utensil. It's another gorgeous day in Florida. I am in this tiny community called Osprey, and I have been here for just a little bit over a week. I'm finding it very easy to van life here. It's there's lots of great little spaces to tuck in at night and sleep, and then I just come down here to the water to make my coffee in the morning. But today I'm going to make coffee and breakfast, and since you guys like to see me cook, I thought I would just bring you along with me. New stickers available on my channel. Look at them. Aren't they fabulous? Oh my goodness. I like to measure how much water I need for my portions, because that way I'm not always running back and forth to get potable water. Ooh, we got some grass in there. Okay, we'll start over. Goodness. Today I'm going to make just a simple breakfast, an egg, some sausage. I get fully cooked meat. This is all they had at the grocery store. So this is a turkey breakfast sausage. Never had it before, so not sure how it's gonna be. But so sausage, egg, water is just about ready. Let me put this in a little bit to get the coffee grounds, which are down below. This is the one system I still have to figure out on my build, is having to pull these drawers in and out and move a few things out of the way to get at a few things, which I'll address that when I get back to Oregon. But coffee. The water's just about boiled. French press coffee. I love this coffee. It's easy to make, you know. I just put I think this is, I don't know, 1/8 of a cup of ground coffee. I add the boiling water to it, stir it, put the plunger on it, wait for 9 minutes. That's the magical number. And then I plunge it, and then I have the best coffee. I just need 1 cup a day. One cup. Sometimes I have 2. Like if there's good Cuban coffee. Oh, that stuff is like rocket fuel. Ooh, it's boiling. Yay, okay. And it's getting a wee bit warm. Whoops. I woke up this morning and it was 65 outside, which I don't hate at all. And it was 74 in the 9th element, which was, you know, very comfortable. Okay. I'll come back when the coffee's ready. We'll let that sit, and we'll trade out the frying pan for the pot. It's getting warm. This warm morning air feels so good. Oh my gosh. Another beautiful day, and this is drive-through breakfast today with coffee. I can't believe there's nobody else down here. I mean, there is a truck parked behind me, and looks like they might have spent the night. So each one of those little packages has two little turkey patties. We'll see how these are. Turkey sausage for breakfast. And hopefully I have ketchup because I'm Canadian, and that's the condiment for Canadians with eggs. I do, but it's in my lower drawer. Have to get that out. It hasn't been quite 9 minutes yet for the coffee, but let's see it. Well, they smell okay. So when I dine out, I just get extra ketchup packets for the kitchen here. They're lighter, they're nice portions. I don't have to have a big bottle in the fridge. My fridge is only 30 quarts, so it doesn't hold a lot. So I have to be very strategic about what I'm putting in it. And yeah, I kind of buy groceries every couple of days when I'm in these little towns. I do takeout if there's some nice restaurants. You see all of it on the channel. Yeah, okay. I like to fry my egg in a little bit of butter. So I got some nice butter here for that. I think I can start cooking my egg now too. Melt a little bit of butter in there. Get out my tiny spatula. A little bit of fresh black pepper. It doesn't hurt anyone. And a bit of pink Himalayan salt, or Himalayan, if that's how you say it. A little bit of that, okay. All right. Breakfast is almost ready. Let me show you it. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Breakfast by the bay. Off the back of the ninth element. It doesn't get any better than this, really. It does not get any better than this. Let's put that egg. Flip the sausage. Put the lid on it, shut the heat off, it'll finish cooking, and that's it. Coffee's almost ready. Ooh, I'm so excited for today's breakfast. The other day I went up to Casperson Beach to go hunting for petrified shark's teeth, but as I was walking along the beach, I noticed there were like dead fish, and they were big dead fish, every couple of feet. I don't know what kind of fish they were, but this area is having red tide, and what's really annoying, oh, I think I got to sneeze. Nope. I might sneeze. Nope. Is they play it down, which they really shouldn't. I personally, I don't know if you hear me sometimes in the videos, I don't always get to edit it out. I'll cough, or my voice will seem really deep and low like I smoke a pack of cigarettes. No, I don't smoke. And it's the red tide, or sometimes it's the pollen and stuff like that. And I do take allergy medication for it, but the red tide, I felt so sick from being over at the beach for literally an hour, and I spent a day just kind of laying in bed watching Hulu and movies and sleeping because I just felt like shit. So watch your beaches, make sure there isn't red tide. Don't fish and eat the fish in the area when there's red tide, and take care of yourself. This is a little inlet here. It's not far from the coastal side. It's not as bad this far in, or this close in. So that's where I've been hanging out. The plunge. Oh, this is the part where the day is about to begin with coffee and bread. I'm trying out some of these nut creamers. I might be a little bit nuts, but I don't know. That one is a Chobani one. It's a plant-based. I didn't know plants had tits that you could milk. Okay. Oh, that's good. That's really good. Cheers. Well, let's have some breakfast. A little bit of ketchup. And that's breakfast. Let's see how this turkey sausage tastes. It might be good. It's not bad. Smashed that breakfast. It was so good. So I need to get my dishes done and then go to my park office. Paper towel from my paper towel rack that's up there. My dishwasher, vinegar and water. What a beautiful view to do dishes, right? Oh my goodness. Gonna have to make some more mixture today. Whenever I cook with meats or raw eggs, I like to use one of these sanitization wipes. It's totally approved for this method. There's nothing wrong with it. And it works really well. And I know that my things are sanitized and they're clean and safe for my next drive-through cooking adventure. There's these kayakers out here. No, I guess there's like a dragon boat. Here, let me pop the camera down and show you. Let me just show you. They're so graceful in the water. Just gliding along real smooth. Well, coffee's made. Breakfast is made. Dishes are done. I've had breakfast. It's time to say bon voyage to this view for this day for now. I need to do laundry. I haven't done laundry since Key Largo. Oh my God, that was a few weeks ago. I got a lot of stinky laundry in the car. See you on the next one. I just finished having lunch over here, and while I was having lunch, I noticed an animal across the way. Let's go check it out. It is a very warm day today in Florida, and I think this is an armadillo. I'm not sure how close they're gonna let me get. Let's see. Sneak up on it behind this tree. Oh my goodness. Can you see the shell? It's amazing. Hello. Hello. Psst, 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 psst. Little armadillo. Sweet armadillo. Psst, 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 psst. Yeah, you're very involved in that hole, aren't you? Oh, hello. How close are you gonna let me get? I am literally 8 feet away from this little guy. Hello, look at your cute little face. Are you gonna run after me? Hello. Oh, what are you digging for? Is there something delicious? Is there something delicious? Such a little cutie pie. Well, we're gonna leave this cutie alone. We're gonna leave this little cutie alone, and we're gonna go back to our picnic. I'm also charging my batteries up because we had a few cloudy days. I have not been feeling... Oh, he's going across the road. I hope he makes it. Be careful. Quickly go, quickly go. I've not been feeling very well because there's red tide in this area, so I think I'm gonna head inland now. My first turtle in the wild. Well, hello there. I've been waiting to meet you. Hello, sweetheart. Hi. You gonna freeze? Can I touch you? Is it legal to touch you? Can I come closer? What happens if I come closer? Are you gonna bite me? Oh, you're so cute. He's snacking on the grass. Yeah. I was just driving down the road and saw this little cutie pie. Hello, do you want to come with me? You better stay on the grass. Yeah, let's go for a walk. Come on, let's go for a walk. We'll go for a walk. Okay. We're walking with a turtle. Hello. You're fascinating. Yeah. Shall we walk together? Let's walk, come on. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's walk. Walking with a turtle. Oh, cutie pie. You should stay on the grass, though. Okay, well, I'm going to walk with this. Come on, hurry up. Get going. Get going. No, get going. Yeah, get going. Oh, there we go. I figured that I saw the shirt. I know. He's like, I think he wants to be on the road today. Well, good morning, cats and kittens and feral souls and my YouTube darlings. It is another day. I am at Siesta Beach. I have my breakfast and some water, and I've got 9 parked up here, and I'm just gonna head on over to the beach and have my sandwich beachside. Look at all the people going to the beach. Oh my God. It's a long walk to the water. Should I get a floaty toy for this one? That would be kind of fun, wouldn't it? Let's check out the gift shop. Oh yeah, all kinds of, ride a unicorn, ride a big duck. I'm a duck, go Ducks, Oregon Ducks. Get a t-shirt. All kinds of fun stuff. I always wanted to come here, so I'm gonna get myself a tank top. Oh, look at these cute little sun hats too. Okay, I just got myself a souvenir tank top from Siesta Beach because I've always wanted to come here. So let's flip you around and see what's good. Oh, look at this! Oh, everyone puts their recycling in this turtle and then they take it away. Oh, look how far away that beach is. Oh, toes in the sand. Ooh. Pretty flowers. And the beach. I need to take my flip-flops off. That is a very, very long walk to go to the ocean. I was just chatting with the folks in the shop where I bought my tank top, and they said that red tide is bad up here as well. I can already feel it in my throat. I just can't seem to escape this this red tide. So what I think I'm gonna do is tuck up just a bit, like back up here, and have my breakfast and just look at the beach, and then maybe do a little drive around and do some exploring. And the other thing about this red tide business is it kind of smells, and not in a good way. I found a spot here in the shade, and you can see there's the Siesta Beach sign where I just took my picture. I'm gonna drink some water, and I've got a nice ham and cheese croissant for breakfast. I'm not really feeling the beach today. It's Friday. It's gonna get real busy, so I think I'll just have breakfast and drive around a little bit and see what Siesta Key is all about. Good morning. Nice ham and cheese croissant. Oh yeah, this guy, he's set for the beach today. He's gonna live down there. He's taking this whole house down there. Well, I smashed that sandwich, and it's time to go on a little tour. Okay, so that was way too people-y for me. You know, guys, I'll probably talk about it at some point on this channel, but I don't like crowds. I don't like crowds. I don't like crowded spaces. I'm not a big fan of being around a lot of people. As Dr. Zeus says, the world is really, really people-y. And I've been noticing on this trip that I gravitate to parks where there's nobody. I would like to do the beach, but there's red tide right now, and I have asthma, and it's terrible for my asthma, so you know, I can't do it. So we're gonna go find a really quiet little pretty park, and I'm gonna make a cup of tea. Okay, kids, you know how I like to do this. Do a little drive around in these bougie neighborhoods of Siesta Key. Let's see how the other half lives. Well, we know they're not living in a tiny Honda Element, but wow, some big homes. Oh my goodness, let's pop you off the tripod here. Show you this one. Wow, big houses. Leave a comment below and tell me, do you live in a big house or do you live in a tiny house? Let's fix the tripod here. That's a little cutie pie. I love the colors. Siesta Shores. Oh. Okay, and on this side looks like we have a little canal for people to park their boats on. Oh boy. Yeah, Key's living. Another Key, but up north. Let's see if I can show you the canal here. Look at that fun little car. Oh my goodness. They've got a good view from the top of their house. Okay, let me just see if I can shoot outside the window here. So across the street from all these houses is this canal where they can park their boats. I think some of these spots people even live on their boats. I mean, that's something that I would think of. Oh, look at, oh my goodness. Tropical oasis. They're having fun. Okay. And there's some of the canal homes that I was talking about. Very nice. Golf carts. Golf carts. That's senior living. Okay. Let's put you back up on the tripod here and we'll drive safely. Oh. So that's a little, you know, just a tiny little peek of some of the Siesta Key. This area was devastated by the hurricane last September, and apparently this area that I'm in right now was closed to public traffic until just recently. Only the locals were allowed to come out here and, you know, fix their homes or be at their homes, that sort of thing. You know, earthquakes and hurricanes scare the crap out of me. I mean, coming from British Columbia's mountains where, I mean, yeah, tons of snow and there can be avalanches, but I never really lived in the wake of an avalanche. So I was grateful for that. But, you know, the price you have to pay for it to live in paradise, right? Leave a comment below. Would you live in Florida on the coast where there's hurricanes? Oh. The other thing about neighborhoods like this, I wouldn't dare try and stealth camp in here. There's just absolutely no way that I would try it. There are a lot of like little old Karen looky-loos looking out for their neighborhood and like stink-eyeing me when I drive by, like, don't think about parking here. Just driving through and looking at your neighborhood. Okay, let's take a little look here. Look at that place. The big tiki. Oh, cutie pie. Yeah. So this is where the hustle and bustle is. It looks like it's pretty touristy. We got a fudge factory. Oh my goodness, and what are these up here? Oh, look at those fun little cars that you can rent. Now those are fun little scoots. Another tiki bar, Siesta Key, tiki bar. Big wave, it looks like. Oh yeah. It's fun to drive around and look at these things. It's also fun to walk. But as I mentioned earlier, the red tide is killing me. I just ate a peppermint to try and help with it. But I'm still in search of a little quaint city park where I can make myself a cup of tea. Here, this is a fun little corner. That spot over there. Okay, still looking. Well, that concludes my little visit to Siesta Key. That was enough for me for one day. Look at all those McMansions. Oh my goodness. Super mansion-y. Well, I stand corrected. I found the perfect little beach for this afternoon. Let's check it out. So just on the other side of the North Bridge, Siesta Key is this little, pull-out. I've got the perfect spot for 9. Got some palm trees here. Yeah. Not a bad little spot to hang out. I'm gonna make a cup of tea here. Oh, look at that. And we got a bridge over there too. Siesta Key. Oh, look at that bridge over there. It looks like the tide's going out. And I think I'm gonna try on my new tank top that I bought. So this is the one that I picked, and it was on sale to add it to my collection. So I'm just gonna try it on. What do you think? Oh, it's very nice. It's a wee bit tight, but you know, I think it'll stretch out. Yeah. It's a great color. I love wearing all these bright colors in Florida. Well, time to make a cup of tea now. It is now 11:30 at Siesta Beach, and I thought I would just take you guys down and just show you how many people are here already. It is a Friday afternoon, and it is the best beach in Florida. Probably the only beach, but let's have a look. The sand feels like baby powder. Oh my goodness, do you see that? Holy shit. Holy shit. All of those people. Let's get down there and see. Okay, so this is 11:30 in the morning at Siesta Beach. Florida's #1 beach. Secrets out. Look at all those people for as far as the eye can see. I'm not feeling it. Just not feeling it at all. Yeah, I'm gonna take myself back south to my little tiny community and go to a cute little beach down there where there's hardly anyone. But just to show you, you gotta walk from there. Like I'm about halfway in between. Oh, look, we got some jets flying over. I can really feel it in my throat and in my lungs. And it really annoys me that they play down that there's red tide. It's so stinking hot here today. I see no reason to be at the beach if I can't go swimming. Let's go find a better place. It's always a good idea to rinse the toes off after being at the beach. Okay. So on my way up, I did notice quite a few people were coughing. Not good. Okay, now I gotta find 9. Shouldn't be too hard. Oh, where is she? 9! Do you see the cans over there on top of the car? There she is. So I was at the Sarasota Library today working on a video for you, actually uploading it. And when I came out, I noticed this. I was walking up and I'm like, what is that? It's a freaking screw in my tire. So I'm gonna have to go and get it fixed. Ugh, VanLife. Sometimes it's a pocket of rocks, or in this case, a bag of screws. Nuts. It's not how I wanted to get screwed. You know what I mean. Okay, this is not good. Apparently it's not. I'm not able to fix it. Okay, so this was in there. The gentleman just pulled it out for me. Guys, I got lucky. I got so lucky with this. It's Friday night and date night, and I've already been screwed. Ooh, it's getting warm out there. Well, oh, my hair. Salt hair. Don't care. Had a subscriber leave me a comment about combing my hair and put a hat on. And no, sweethearts, no, my darlings, when you are traveling and you're on vacation, you just don't care. You just don't care about your hair, and you're living your best life on the road. Yeah, no, I understand. You're looking for a man for me, and you think that he wants me to be all nails done and hair done. Not gonna happen. This is what we're preparing for this evening. Look at the size of these shrimp. Like, it's like the size of a lobster tail. We got some chicken going on the kebabs there. We've got the barbecue back there. Oh, this is senior living, people.